okay, what about this problem? Okay, we will find y prime first, then we will find y double prime from y prime. Okay, here we go. So y prime. Can you figure that out? That is exactly chain rule, right? Exponential function is your first layer, and another exponential function e to the x is your second layer. Okay, so in a Leibniz form, dy dx. Okay, then first function like jacket function prime e to the x, right? E to the something, but I'm not gonna write it. Then let me use the different color for here. E to the x. The second layer prime is e to the x. Okay, that's it. We're done. Okay, now what is second derivative? Okay, here we go. Y double prime, which is in the Leibniz notation. Is okay. So that one is this guy y prime prime. Is okay. So that is another product. Okay, this is first function, and e to the x is second function. Okay. So by the product rule, first one prime is e to the second layer times by the product. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. To help you to understand this guy, let me do the like 4-piece puzzle way. It might be much easier and clear. Okay. Otherwise, you can easily mess up. Okay. Here we go. So let me give like this one as u, and this guy as v function. Okay. Then let's do the puzzle. Okay. As you remember, product rule is what? U prime times v plus u times v prime. Okay, I strongly recommend this 4-piece puzzle way. Okay, whenever you encounter something complicated function, okay, it might be much easier. Okay, here we go. So your u is e to the x. Then u prime is e to the second layer function, which is e to the x times e to the x. That's it, right? So what about my v? V is e to the x, and v prime is simply e to the x. Okay. Now we're ready. We have like 4 pieces. Then plug in everything in my product rule. Okay. U prime is e to the x times e to the x, right? Times my v. Too many e to the x. That's why like this is easier way. Okay. Otherwise, you will just like too complicated. U is e to the x, and v prime. That's it. Okay. So if you want me to simplify this guy, yeah, well we can do it. Okay, because like we have like common factors, and we can put out. Then this can be written by e to the x times e to the x times e to the x plus 1. Okay. Well, if you want me to combine this one too, and I can do it because by the exponential rule, it is e to the x plus x times e to the x plus 1. Okay. But like just this form will be fine. Okay. But if you want to like simplify, you can do like this way. Okay.